Skydive Dubai.
Thank you.
What are you doing today?
Today we are skydiving
Skydiving.
over the
That's pretty
palms.
cool.
Yeah.
Exciting. This is your first time?
Yeah, it's my first time.
Awesome. And whose idea was all this?
This was my friend's idea.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's do this.
Awesome. You feeling good?
I'm feeling good. It's like a dream
Awesome.
coming
dude.
true.
And you meet your instructor?
Yeah.
And you understood all his instructions yet?
Yeah, I received all the instructions.
Awesome. So you feeling ready to skydive?
Anxious, but yeah, all ready.
Awesome.
All set.
That's fun.
Yeah.
See you up there.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm
Jumped out of an airplane. Tell us all about it.
It was amazing. The most amazing view, the most amazing experience for the first time.
Awesome. You gonna do that again someday?
Someday, maybe. I'm just too scared right now to say it.
Pretty cool. Alright, thanks for coming to Skydive Dubai.
Thank you.
No worries.